Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. GL Bajaj Institute achieves first place in engineering results across Uttar Pradesh. The overall development of a student depends on how serious they are about their education and how earnest their efforts are while they are in school or university. Whenever we hear about technology and management education in North India, one name that always springs up is that of GL Bajaj Institute of Technology and Management. Located in Great Noida, this institute is one of the greatest Uttar Pradesh-based engineering and management colleges and is known for providing its students quality education and great placement opportunities. Recognized by All Indian Council for Technology Education (GJ), Bajaj believes in all-round development of young minds. The institute stretches the foundation of its students with programs like BTech, MBA, and MCA, so they can write their own success stories in the future. GL Bajaj Institute has always been among the top engineering and management colleges in AKTU. This time they have outdone themselves by topping the engineering results. GL Bajaj's main goal is preparing their students for career-related possibilities and opportunities in the future. Speaking of placements opportunities, the students of GL Bajaj Institute have secured jobs with some of the biggest companies in the country, as well as Euro 2020, Portugal captain Cristiano Ronaldo wins Golden Boot. Portugal captain Cristiano Ronaldo has won the Euro 2020 Golden Boot as no one from England or Italy managed to surpass his tally in the tournament final at Wembley on Sunday. Ronaldo has scored 5 goals in the competition, the same as the Czech Republic forward Patrick Schick, and won via an tiebreaker of assist. 3 of his goals came from the penalty spot, while the other 2 came from the open play against Hungary and Germany. Ronaldo is also the top scorer of the Euro Cup with 14 goals. With 2 goals in the last group game against France, Ronaldo has now scored 109 international goals, equaling the world record set by Iran's Ali Day. Cristiano Ronaldo leads with 24 appearances. He is followed by Bastian Schweinsteiger of Germany with 18 and Italy Gianluigi Buffon with 17. Ronaldo topped the list with the most finals. He has played in 5 finals for Portugal: 2004, 2008, 2012, 2016 and 2020. Legends such as Lothar Matthäus, Alessandro Del Piero, Edwin van der Sar, Lilian Thuram, Gianluigi Buffon, Zlatan Ibrahimovic, among others, have made appearance in 4 Euros. 68 dead in 3 lightning incidents in UP Rajasthan MP. A total of 68 people died in 3 different lightning incidents in Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan on Sunday, while the death toll due to heavy lightning in Uttar Pradesh mounted to 41 on Monday. 7 people were reported to be dead in Madhya Pradesh. Lightning strikes claimed 20 lives in Rajasthan on Sunday. Among the deceased, 7 were children from Kota and Dholpur districts. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday also expressed grief over the deaths. Over 10 more people have been reported to suffer injuries. Taking to Twitter, PM Modi wrote in Hindi, which loosely translated to English reads, "Many people have lost their lives due to lightning in some areas of Rajasthan. This is very saddening. I express my deepest condolences to the families of the deceased." Among the deceased, 11 were from Jaipur, 3 from Dholpur, 4 from Kota, and 1 from Jhalwar, and 1 from Varan. A total of 17 people had reportedly suffered injuries on Sunday. They were rescued by joint teams of the police and the state disaster response force. The injured have been taken to the Savai Man Singh Hospital in Jaipur. Not only Rajasthan but as many as 7 people were also killed due to heavy flighting in different districts of Madhya Pradesh on Sunday. Of these, two peoples were from Shiopur district and two from Gwalior district. One person died in Jaipur district along with one each in Anuppur and Bitul district respectively. Euro 2020, England's wait continues as Italy win Wembley final 3-2 on penalties. It's coming to Rome, shouted Leonardo Bouncy in the light-steering Euro 2020 final against England 3-2 on penalties on Sunday. It was joy for Roberto Mancini, Mainz, who completed a remarkable comeback after missing the World Cup berth in 2018. On the other hand, there was despair for England and their 60,000 fans at Wembley as Bukayo Saka, Jadon Sancho and Marcus Rashford missed the host's last three penalties. It was heartbreak for England, who had waited 55 years for the Three Lions to enter a major final. Southgate, who has missed the DC penalty when England were knocked out in the 1996 semi-final at Wembley, made a courageous decision by allowing three youngsters in Saka, Sancho and Rashford take the last three penalties, but it didn't work out for them as Givenchy Gianluigi Donnarumma emerged as national hero after a terrific campaign with Italy. The Azzurri won their second European Championship title, ending a 53-year-long wait for continental glory. They also extended their winning run to record stretching 34 games, finishing the Euro 2020 campaign without a defeat. That was contrasting emotion at the start of the final as Wembley erupted in joy as early as the second minute as the English dream were ignited by Manchester United left back Luke Shaw, who slotted with a super volley beating Gianluigi Donnarumma. It was the fastest goal scored in the history of the European Championship final, beating Chusparada goal for Spain in the 6th minute of the 1964 final against the Soviet Union.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.